on our first cruise, we spent way too much money. So we bought stuff like Faster to the Fun. We bought camera equipment that was way overkill. We even bought magnetic hooks that were the wrong size.
So y'all, now we are just buying things to find out what does work.
Yeah.
And we're going to be the guinea pigs just for you. So we're going to buy things. We're trying it out. We're going to tell you what works and what doesn't work so you can save your money. Ready? Let's go.
We bought this fan. And we actually bought it because to use it in our gazebo we put outside. That we never sat in. Well, we sat in it once.
We did sit in it.
We sat in it 1.5 times. But yeah, we bought this to sit outside. And we ended up taking on a cruise. We were saying, well, people always ask about fans.
Yeah.
Let's see what it actually is like. So we packed this, took it on our cruise, and we absolutely loved it. This was a surprise for us. So it has 3 different ways you can put it up. Has the hook, has the clamp, and you can set it down, set it flat. But this was kind of cool because I actually used it on the deck a couple of times. I can feel it. And it actually has a light too. Because those decks oh, sorry. I'm blind to my wife. Those decks get really dark. Yeah, this was a hit. Yeah, I like this.
Yeah, I mean, it really was a good buy. So one thing that I realized is that I like my treats.
Yes.
Yeah, I like my snacks. And so my good friend cared enough about me to buy me an organizer.
Yeah.
So that I can fill this with all my chocolates that I like. All of the just things that I just like to snack on. Now, it was bought for me, but I don't think I was the only one that was using it, even though...
Well, that's called eminent domain. I did take some of the candy like 3 or 4 times a day. Ding! That's my ding. I did it again.
But seriously, the snack organizer, this really is a good treat. Especially if you have kids, you know, you can organize different things for them. But I loved it.
Yeah. All right, here's another one that was a hit. Was the these waterproof playing cards. I found these on another YouTube channel, and I said, I gotta try these. We actually got sick on the last cruise, so we didn't get a chance to get in the pool and try them. But yeah, I'm excited. I'm gonna try them on the next one. But I can see them working because they are actually waterproof. Yeah, these are pretty cool. So the waterproof playing cards.
I wouldn't say that we're germaphobes.
I would.
But we do begin to pay attention to things.
Right.
And I started realizing that they don't really offer you straws on cruise ships.
Right.
Unless it's an alcoholic beverage. And then I started thinking about autumn lips on the glasses because thousands of people. So you know what I did?
What's that?
I let you treat me to a collapsible straw. And you know what? I loved it. I was so happy that it came with its own brush so I can keep it clean. But this was definitely a hit.
Yeah, that's a hit. Yeah.
Definitely a hit.
If you guys want any of the links to the things we're talking about, all the ones we got from Amazon
in the description
are going to be below.
Yeah. So we talked about some things that work. Now we're going to get to our first miss.
It sucked.
Man. So before our cruise, I was really focused on getting healthy, trying to get into my groove of exercise on a regular basis. Started walking. I wanted to be cute while I was walking.
On the cruise,
Found these shoes, and I was so excited.
Yeah.
Because they were so cute. And they actually felt light and comfortable. But then I started walking in them.
Yeah.
And halfway through my walk, it started hurting. And that sucked.
Yeah.
So they were, unfortunately, a miss for what I wanted them for.
Waste of money. Don't waste your money. What are these? A soft silk?
I think it's called soft heel.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's a 50-50.
Don't waste your money. This is actually a regular scrunchie, but on the side,
it ain't regular.
It's got
it's got a pocket.
A pocket so you can put money in there. So this is great. Like if you're going to Barcelona, we have the group cruise going to Barcelona next year.
We going international, y'all.
And it's the pickpocket capital of the world. So this is actually pretty cool. So you can put your money in it, and the thieves never will be the wiser. Yeah, this is a hit. I like this.
Yeah. So on our last cruise with the family, because we like to play games, ways to entertain yourself. And so our niece introduced us to one of the funnest card games I think we found in a while.
Yeah, we love this game.
Yeah. It's called Sleeping Queens, y'all. So yes, it is designed for kids, but I think the adults, we had more fun with it than she did.
I got addicted to that game. Yeah, that game is fun. Yeah.
We liked it so much we came back home, we bought our own to play with our adult friends.
And have played it.
And we'll play it again.
Yeah,
so try it, y'all. Sleeping Queens. Yeah. It's fun.
That comes highly recommended. Give me this. I don't want to top my site. I like this game. Yeah. This is a massage ball. And I bought it so that I could take care of you. That's not exactly what ended up happening. You ended up using it on my thighs more than I use it on you. So here's your turn to get a massage right now. So you got proof that I actually gave you one. No, this is
it actually is a great gift.
Yeah, this is actually really cool. I've bought this for several people, and they have loved it. Yeah, this is a good find for our last cruise, and we could
Yes, especially like if you have back issues, it can really help. If you have a lot of muscle tension. Yeah, that really was a good buy.
That was a good one. Yeah. Try that.
Yeah. So we've been playing around to figure out what's the best effective way for us to pack since we share a suitcase.
I've got my best way. Just to give it to you.
Well, thanks.
You're welcome. I care. That's what I care about you.
That's because
I want to keep your skills sharp.
Yeah. So, of course, we watched thousands of videos.
Yeah.
People keep talking about these packing cubes. And I was like, what is the big deal? It can't be that effective. Ha-ha. Until I tried it.
Yeah.
And so I found this set on Amazon. And I haven't stopped using them since I got them. I don't care if it's just a weekend trip. I am using my packing cubes.
Yeah.
It's one of the best buys for me.
You like them. Yeah,
I do.
That might be the best thing we bought for you this cruise.
Yeah. I would agree.
Yeah.
I would agree. Yeah. I was just surprised literally how much stuff you can put in this cube.
Right.
Yeah, I've been pleasantly surprised.
This was a total miss. The first aid kit that we got. And we had great hopes for it because it looked all shiny and nice on Amazon. It looked like it was sleek and wonderful. We got this thing, like it only had bandages in it and some scissors. It didn't have no ointment in it, didn't have any emergency medicines. So yeah, this was a waste of money. We like our old one better.
In our packing video, we did show them that we found something called Body Fresh. And we told y'all we were going to let you know how it worked.
Yeah.
And you know what? It wasn't bad.
Right. It's a good substitute.
Now, it's not the flushable wipe.
Right.
But it did get the job done. And it's something different that I think we will continue using. So we do recommend the Body Fresh. And so basically, it's like a foam that we squirted on the toilet paper to make it into a wipe. It did what it needed to do.
Yeah.
Yeah, it worked.
Yeah. And Squatty Potty also sells one.
Squatty Potty?
All right, babe. So this is a good one. This is Poopery. And we always know the regular Poopery, the one with the black cap, works great. This is just a smaller version. It's a travel size. So you can keep it in your pocket and just always squirt. You don't got to get the bigger one out. So this one, this one's pretty good. I like this one.
Yeah. Thanks, Mom.
Yep. Yeah, and your mom got us that actually for the cruise. Yeah. Thanks, Mama. So if y'all enjoying hanging out with us, give us a like. Thanks, fam. All right, so we're going to keep the poop sliding downhill. And this is a toilet seat cover. This is actually great because it's a pack of 10 and it's handy. So I don't like sitting on all the toilets everywhere. Well, I don't like sitting on anybody's toilet. Get you a toilet seat cover.
Kevin Hart said, out of here, raw dogging the seats.
Yeah, don't be out here raw dogging the seats. I'm just holding this part up. Y'all can't even see what it is, but this is a miss. Can y'all tell? It's a pillowcase cover. And I got this hack off of YouTube where the lady was on the airplane and she put up a pillowcase cover and put her...
She used as her luggage.
Right, as her luggage. So she didn't have to pay for luggage. She just took a pillow on board. And I said, that's a great idea. So I was going to try it. The problem is I got the biggest pillowcase cover that they sell on the face of the earth.
The wrong size.
So this is a miss because I got the wrong pillowcase cover. Don't be like me. Get you the right size. But I'm going to try that again. And I'm going to order the right size this time.
Yeah. So it's a toothbrush holder, but not just any toothbrush holder. It's one that you actually can stick to your mirror. So you don't have to worry about taking up space on the counter or something splashing on it. You just stick it to the mirror. And I thought this was so much fun. I actually enjoyed this more than I thought I would. We like it so much that this is our bathroom right now. We use it every day. Every day, yeah. Yeah. So try it. We had to buy another set to take on the cruise with us. We use them so often. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. Yeah. This is a little case that has, if I can open it, let's see. There we go. Pop. It has soap in it. Y'all saying, I ain't got no soap in it. These little sheets in here, you just put water on, and they become soap. So it's like little sheets of soap. So wherever you go, if like the soap dispenser is crusty and gritty, or out, you got your own soap to go wherever you want. Yeah. Some people just don't like touching them. Yeah, that was it. I like that one. So this was a gimbal I bought online. Actually, I bought it from Walmart. This was actually pretty cool because the other one that I used for my camera, I think I spent $150 on it when I bought it. And this one, I think I spent $15 on it. And I had the chance to take both of them on the last cruise, and I took this one. So this one has a light on it. So the light shine. I'm not going to blind you again. Appreciate you. And it has a remote on it. But we actually use this to do the live from the ship. So when I had both of them to choose from, I left the $150 one at home, and I bought this one. I got this one that cost me $15 at Walmart. Okay, well, and this one was much better. So, babe, now we're going to give them all the stuff. Not really all the stuff. we got the misses for them. The stuff we just wasted money for. We sprinkled a few earlier. Now we're going to hit them with just a bunch of misses. Miss. So, ladies, I think you've heard me talk about using the medicine case for your jewelry. And the reality of it is, for me, is that my jewelry is just too big to fit in this. So it just didn't work. So we may find something else to use it for, but for jewelry, this was a bust.
And then we thought we could actually use it for medicine. Sometimes you do take some medicines, but it comes with labels on it, and it was just too hard to label and too hard to get it right. So we just didn't put anything in it. Yep. Miss. All right, so here's one. I don't even got it because I sent it back. It was just worthless. Sometimes I think I'm MacGyver. I always come up with some gadget that I said, I can use it like this. I can do this with it. So my bright idea was to take a double-sided clamp and clamp it to the chair on one side and then clamp it to an umbrella on the other side. It ain't work. That clamp was worthless. It held up like 3 pounds, and then once I put the umbrella up there and the wind started to blow, that was a miss. So here's another waste of money.
You and your gadgets.
Me and my gadgets and my cameras. So, my favorite camera is my Insta360 because the 360 camera. And I saw these people online taking this, the bullet time shot. And I had all these grand ideas of how I was going to do it. I ordered that thing online. It was a waste of money. I mean, I could only get one shot with it. And I wasn't even good at that shot. Waste of money. Don't get the bullet time. Well, you can get it. For me, the bullet time handles suck.
And it went right back.
Right back to Amazon. Another one bites the dust. As y'all see, Amazon's my favorite store and my favorite store to return stuff to.
I don't even know what to say right now. Do you see this man? I don't even know why he thought that was a good idea. So let me talk about this real quick before he really hurts himself.
So, put this down before I kill myself.
So on our May cruise, unfortunately, our luggage got messed up. So we have been on the hunt.
Well, first of all, luckily we had travel insurance. So
they
so they paid us for it. Yep.
Yeah. So travel insurance actually paid us so that we can replace our luggage.
Yeah.
So we've been on a hunt to find something that we like and something that fits what we need.
Mm-hmm.
So we ordered some again from his favorite store.
Not just some. We ordered like 5 or 6 different sets of luggage. Because we ordered some from Amazon. I think 2 from Amazon, 3 from Sam's Club.
And we still, we haven't gotten all of the ones.
Right. We got one more coming.
Look, yeah. So we're on the search, y'all. But our first set, it looked beautiful on Amazon. It looked very pristine.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh, yeah, we're going to be styling with this luggage. It got here, and it felt cheap.
Yep.
It looked like it was going to be dirty after the first trip to the airport. Mm-hmm. So we just ended up sending it back.
Yeah. It was white and brown.
It was cream with camel accents. You know it looked stylish.
And it was going to attract all the dirt in the world. It was going to look like homeless people carrying with that dirt. Like, oh, give them some money. They got that dirty luggage.
They showed them some hard times.
That's what it was going to say.
Anyway, so we sending the luggage back. I was a little disappointed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we ordered the... We ordered the blue one, light blue, green, cream.
Oh, we did have the green one.
Yeah. We ordered too much luggage. But luckily, I think we settled on one at Sam's Club. So those are our hits and our misses.
Yeah.
Tell us what you wasted money on your first cruise in the comments.
Or also, if there's something that you would like for us to try, put that in the comments.
Yeah.
So if you enjoyed this video, check out this next one about embarkation tips.
Peace.